Hi, everybody. It is February, and for us, one of the first signs of spring is that we get all the seed packets in. And I didn't do an exact count, but last week I kind of did a rough count, and we have over 1,800 distinct varieties of seeds, veg, herbs, flowers, the whole 9 yards, and we're like super excited about it. Garden Expo is next week, and it may be a little early to start actually planting your seeds, but it's not too early to sort of get jazzed about it. So we've got some new things this year. So Trent, this is Trent. He's our
Hello.
green goods manager. And why don't you tell us what the changes are in the seed department this
Yeah,
year?
like Lisa said, we've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this day. It's the first official sign of spring at the Garden Center with the long winter days. One thing that I'm really excited about is our selection of Baker Creek seeds. It's something that we heard from a lot of our customers, from you guys, that we should carry more, and now we have. There's over 400 here right now.
It
So,
is, and there's some really crazy things. Like if you've ever had a fancy drink with that butterfly pea,
yeah,
that blue, we have seeds for that. You can grow your own. And there's all sorts of really cool vegetables, lots of tomatoes. I like that orange accordion
yes.
one. That's kind of crazy. So yeah, so
Really something for everyone. You have to find one thing here that you would want to
if you
grow.
come and buy some regular seeds, carrots or whatever, look at the Baker Creek racks and add one thing that you have never grown before and give it a try.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And of course, we're all about feeding the pollinators. We've got a lot of good options to throw some seed down. We've got nice big bulk bags.
Oh, I love these. I'm going to reach over and grab one.
This is a brand called Earth Science. They're out of Minnesota, so a little local, which we love. And they have a whole selection, like 6 different options for different flowers, depending on the
Yeah.
needs of your yard.
Butterflies, for all kinds of things.
Yeah.
And it's a really good price. This bag is $15.
So,
So this is a ton of seeds. So if you wanted to start a pollinator garden and you're not sure what you want to do, just go ahead and broadcast seed it and see what comes up.
we hope to see you in. There's a lot to pick from. We're happy to help find anything you might have on your list. And if you're unsure, come in and browse. It's always fun to see what's new here.
And if you get really overwhelmed by all the choices, kind of talk to us about what you're looking for in that cherry tomato, and we can help pinpoint and find exactly what you want and maybe a couple things you didn't know that you wanted. So we'll see you next week with seed tips. Have a great day.